The Matrix is coming for us today.
Yep. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to yet another live session by Voice of Crypto with the BitBlonde, that is Emily. Last week, around the same time, we did a really special session about the Bitcoin ETFs and their impact on the market. But firstly, welcome once again, Emily. And it's my pleasure
Thank you,
to have you.
guys. Very happy to be on today. It's been, a week, and happy to see what's going on 1 week after. Not much really, so let's dive into it.
Absolutely. Everyone was making big bets on the market as soon as the Bitcoin ETF was out, and not a lot happening in terms of price movements, especially, but a larger bullish momentum or a larger bullish narrative still remains intact, which is exactly why we will be sort of addressing the term when Lambo. A lot of people in this space have been sort of questioning themselves and their portfolios as to when will it finally skyrocket. And that is why we will also be, because of course Bitcoin hasn't been doing a lot, we will be taking a look at altcoins for 2024. Do you want to start, Emily? Maybe talk about the market, and I will.
Yeah, I mean, overall, it's very weird actually to not see any movement. We still have the CME gap around 38, 39K. So there are a couple of scenarios to consider when it comes to TA this time. I'm not that bearish yet, but, it's just very weird to see after the ETF this kind of movement. I think it's very manipulated. So personally, I'm waiting to open new positions because, I'd rather just step back a little bit and see what's going to happen. But long-term wise, it's fine. Mm-hmm. And actually, Ethereum, I think it's going to do really well. Compared to Bitcoin, it's still fine, with this drop that we had recently. Ethereum is still currently trading around 2,500. And with the Ethereum ETF, I think we could see Ethereum around 10K at least. It's taken a while. Ethereum's taken a while to flip Bitcoin actually, but eventually always, happens. So I'm very bullish on ETH, and would be very, very cool to see really the Ethereum ETF driving ETH to 10K or so. But for sure, on the bull run, my top altcoin would be Ethereum. I just, believe on it so much.
Absolutely.
So, yeah, we're a little bit greedy again. So that gives me more confidence to be, if we were here, I would be bearish, but we're not that greedy yet. So, and not neutral. So I think everybody's kind of pretty bullish still. So yeah, a lot of meme coins, loads of things happening. I think all coins are going to move today. Obviously, when Bitcoin, it's literally stuck, a lot of things start to happen on altcoins. But, altcoins are a little bit volatile. So make sure you do your own market research. So we have Solana, XRP, Cardano. Those are like three very, very great projects that we know for some time. So they might be a great hold. Avalanche, Polkadot. I'm actually bullish on Polkadot as well for this upcoming bull run. I think, they got some nice things behind the project. Chainlink, also, it's an interesting project. Polygon, of course, loads of NFTs being maintained for free on Polygon. So I think Polygon is going to do really well. And yeah, Shiba, I've got it on start on my portfolio, but I'm not holding any Shiba really. I don't know. I don't know about Shiba. I don't know what to say, but I know some big traders are holding it. but personally, I'm not trading or holding Shiba yet.
Okay.
Uniswap is also on my
What are
list.
your views on also? Sorry to cut you off, but uh, Ethereum Classic and Bitcoin Cash both did pretty decent rallies recently. So, any views on these two altcoins?
Well, let's have a look. Personally, I don't hold any of it.
Mm-hmm. ETC.
I just hold the original ones. I mean, they might be original, but like, well, Ethereum Classic is pretty, at the bottom still. If you look on the all-time graph. So it might be a great opportunity, but just to be clear, like I don't hold any, so make sure to do your own research on it. And Bitcoin Cash, you said, right? Bitcoin Cash, well, yeah, that's pretty flat also if you look into the all-time high. So it might be a great long, but again, I'm not holding any of it. But if you want to make some profit, you should definitely buy low and sell high. So it might be a great opportunity for some people on a long term. Yeah. Yeah, like I'm not very into it, but however, if you can exit on the right time, that's going to be a great, great thing for you. BNB, I think it might do great also. I think BNB is likely to hit 400 very soon. It's hard to say when though, but I've done some TA this past day, I believe, on the other live we've had, and then it's looking good to go to the upside. So might be 400. Let's see on a daily. Yeah, that's pretty. Let's go to the weekly, monthly. Yeah, it's pretty tough, this little one, but we can go to TradingView soon. So I think 400 for BNB is likely to happen shortly, because that's like the first level of correction at around 390, 400. So yeah, BNB is looking good to a long as well. And how to find this good altcoins to buy. You come to CoinMarketCap 7-day. Just have a look on the 7-day site, and you want to find a great project with a deep, 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 deep down drop. Like this one, RDO. Don't know much about the project, but it's 14% down on a weekly. So that's something that you have to do if you want to buy an altcoin to invest in long term. Su is doing absolutely great. I think Su is likely to compete with Solana. I've mentioned that yesterday also. Su, apparently they're building a nice infrastructure for blockchain or something. So I think Solana has a competitor this time. It's pretty cheap also, 1.25. So that has a long way to go.
Yeah.
Do you have any?
Solana, of course, I think it has been on my radar for quite some time. And then there's SEI token, SEI, which has been, doing
Oh yeah,
well.
I've heard. That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, Say is doing great also. It's pretty high. So maybe you just want to go to the small time frame and wait a better entry. Do you know what I mean? Because it's been up 1,000%. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's crazy.
recently made an all-time high. So we might have to wait for a dip,
Yeah,
a major dip. Yeah.
but it's a good one. I've heard a lot. I would just wait on the best opportunity. And, guys, don't buy on the top. That's a little bit risky, but it's a good one to keep tracking.
Yeah. And well, we can also take a look at Bonk because
Oh yes, I'm trading Bonk. Yeah, Bonk is doing crazy, but this coin, like guys, I'm actually long in Bonk now, right now. You need to be careful because this coin moves crazy. Okay, so yeah, it's looking good to go. That's just the all-time high, but I can share on my screen if you want on TradingView. Let me
sure.
change the screen. Okay, 1 second. Let me change it. I think everybody's talking about Bonk.
Bonk and a few newcomer meme coins on Polkadot. But
This is looking really good to long, like at the second triangle, actually breaking out at the moment.
yeah.
The second triangle is also bullish target price. I cannot say that we would literally go to the same pump, but if managed to do that, would be a massive, massive profit. This coin is absolutely crazy, but I like it. I got stopped once, but I'm back now to Bonk. So yes, for hourly chart, Bonk is looking great. Too long. Let's have a look in something else. Let me just have a look on CoinMarketCap. And do you have any that you want to have a look?
I think Bonk was one, and then there was this coin, this meme token called DED, DED, on Polkadot. I'm not sure if you came across it, but
DEG.
yeah, let me. Yeah. They're going to be airdropping soon, so I'm assuming we still have some time.
Oh, so that's very early.
Very early, yes, but it's been in talks, and the Polkadot community is rather excited about this token.
Nice. So yeah, loads of opportunities on altcoins really. Personally, I think Bonk is one of the best longs right now at the moment because obviously you don't want to get coins that are already pumping,
Yeah.
So make sure to buy the lowest one. Let's have a look on the one I've seen. Where's the T? Yeah, this one, it was like down 40% when I saw it on CoinMarketCap. So soon will be a great buying zone. Not yet, maybe not yet. I would just wait to confirm a little bit, on the 4-hourly chart. But, it's 40% down, so it has a lot of potential.
For now, anyway.
Yeah, I would wait a little bit on a daily, still crossing down a little bit on a daily. So I think for today, really, Bonk is doing
it's
a great,
almost 6%.
great crowd. Great, so yeah, I believe we're all waiting to see now what's going to happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum. whatsoever, we can trade altcoins and make the most of it. STX, maybe. Let's have a look. Yeah, on a daily, still a little bit crossing down, but that's going to be a great pump very soon. Just not yet.
Sucks, yeah.
Yeah, I would wait a little bit because honestly, the 200 EMA, it's pretty uptrend. So SGX is being down now on the weekly 9%. So it might be a great buying opportunity very shortly. All the rest is pumping, to be fair, like Post Chain is doing crazy.
Yeah.
Sue, Chile,
Cheese,
Hex.
yes. And SATS token also did pretty well some time back. Not really sure how it is doing now. SATS.
Well, it's trending up actually. The 200 EMA is pointing up, so it's pretty flat. It might be pump soon, but I would definitely wait a little bit, on the 4-hourly graph to open a new long at least. Yeah.
Okay, super. So these, I think, would be some of the topics, but other than that, that was a great strategy to look at the tokens that are down on a weekly. And of
Yeah.
course, if there's more scope for risk that one maybe wants to take, might as well take a look at the daily as well. If there are, of course, more losses, double-digit losses for coins on the daily.
Yeah, if you're trading like, if you want to do something faster, of course you have to look on a daily. But like on a weekly, it might be a better opportunity. But as I mentioned, SGX, it might be a great as well on a daily, like today at some time. So keep tracking it.
Also, can we also quickly talk about Shiba Inu and Dogecoin? What are the communities expecting? Would they make the kind of runs that they did initially, I think in 2021? So
I've just realized there are a lot of Shiba, different projects from the same thing. It's like Doge. They have different things for Dogecoin also. Well, again, Shiba is looking pretty. That's really bad. So it has to pump at some point. It's down 12%. Interesting. That one might be a great one for long. But it's tough to say like if it's going to pump on a weekly or not. So if you're buying Shiba, just be a little bit patient with it because it could take some time. But the community seems to be pretty live.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, those coins, it's all about warming up the community and making money, having fun.
True.
You also mentioned Dogecoin.
Yep.
Will Twitter become on Dogecoin? I don't know. Some people dare to say. Yeah, I mean, Dogecoin.
It's also rather flat, has been since the 2020 run. Yeah.
So yeah, it might be a great one also for the next run now to make some good profits. Whatever is really down and flat, go for it. But just make sure to buy the deepest dip and sell the toppest top.
That's true.
Yeah, Doge is pretty live on community as well. I'm personally hosting a lot of things on Twitter. I see communities very live. So I would say today, top ones would be Dogecoin. To get Shiba has been down also, so good one, Bonk.
Yeah.
And yeah, just the ones that are mostly down, so you can get the next pump.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much. That
And
was
of course, you have the trendy ones. Like, if you guys want to have a look yourself, just keep tracking the communities and, you know, the trendy ones, what's going on, because you have to be, you have to be online to understand it. So make sure to do a nice research.
Absolutely. Do your own research, everyone. And quick disclaimer, please do not treat this as financial advice. Do your own research in this market. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile. I'm sure that's what Emily suggests as well.
Yeah.
All right. Any final thoughts before we close or wrap this session, Emily?
I'm just waiting, honestly, on Bitcoin. I think it's very manipulated at the point, so it's even hard to take a decision, but I'm not that bearish yet. Might be close to the halving because it's likely to go up and down, but let's see what's going to happen. So I definitely encourage you to have a look on altcoins now. So that's
Indeed,
it.
I think altcoins are going to do wonders in this bull run. So watch out for them.
Yeah.
And, we will see you next week around the same time as Voice of Crypto.
Hopefully to see the best.
Hopefully, yes. All right. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Bye.